you a quick video how I achieve this Afro look here. So very easy to achieve. And what I just use is just few things. I use extra virgin oil and water. I mix it together, and I don't have I can't find my leave-in conditioner. What I just use, I use my conditioner, like conditioner for hair. Just apply a little bit of it, then I apply sofa, and then coconut oil. If you have any coconut oil, anything, any treatment you know you have is fine. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below what you think about the look. Sorry for echo, because we just moved in, nothing inside, everywhere is echo. Then I just fast and do this video to show you how I achieve this easy and simple look. Bye.